Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn three different methods by which we can find the cube root in Excel. Method 1 is power function. So click on the cell where you want the cube root to appear and type equal to power. In the bracket, select the cell number, that is over here it is B6, then comma 1 by 3. Bracket close and press enter to see the result and drag it down to see the result of other remaining numbers. Method 2 is using caret operator. So this operator allows you to raise the numbers to power. Click on the cell, type equal to F6 followed by the caret symbol and in the bracket 1 by 3. Press enter from your keyboard and drag it down to see the results of remaining numbers. Method 3 is custom formatting. You can also create a custom formula by combining different Excel functions. So here I am using EXP and LN together. So type equal to EXP in the bracket LN followed by J6 divided by 3 and bracket close. This method is a bit more advanced, but it gives you additional control over your calculations. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe for more Excel tutorials.